97% of Forex traders fail. Here's how to be in the 3%. You've probably heard the stories, people making millions from Forex trading, living the life of their dreams. But here's the catch. Most fail. Why? Because they jump in unprepared. Today, we're diving into Forex trading for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to avoid the rookie mistakes that turn dreams into nightmares. Let's get started. The Basics of Forex Trading, Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. Think of it like a 24/5 auction house, where nations, businesses, and traders exchange trillions of dollars daily. But wait, before your eyes glaze over with those big numbers, let me simplify. Imagine traveling to another country and exchanging your dollars for euros. You've just participated in Forex. No! Quick question, have you ever wondered why some countries have super cheap vacations? It's all about exchange rates. Pretty neat, huh? As a beginner, your goal is not to predict the global economy, it's to master the basics. Focus on these three key concepts: currency pairs, pip movements, and leverage. Currency pairs, EDG total, pip price interest point, leverage borrowed funds. Stick around because in the next section, we'll uncover the traps many beginners fall into and how you can sidestep them, avoiding common mistakes and may considered errors as internet makes sense. That's why we start with pinning your podcast format and hire an editor. Here's where things get tricky. Most beginners start trading without a plan. It's like jumping into a boxing ring blindfolded. You're bound to get knocked out. Let me share a story about Mike, a college student who lost $5,000 in one night. But don't worry. There's a twist. Mike started trading impulsively, using high leverage. The market turned, and he lost it all. Here's the twist. Mike bounced back by learning risk management. On-screen text. Risk management equals protect your capital. Here's how. Never risk more than 2% of your account on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders, and don't chase losses. This is Forex, not Vegas. Pattern interrupt. Quick reality check. Do you think Warren Buffett ever said, let's YOLO it all on this trade? Yeah, me neither. The path to consistency, by now you're probably asking, how do I win at Forex? The answer lies in consistency. Think marathon, not sprint. But what if I told you there's a way to make even small wins compound into big results over time? Start with a demo account. Practice until you're profitable for 3 months. Then move to a live account with a small balance. Focus on 1 or 2 currency pairs. Learn their patterns, and track everything, your wins, losses, and emotions. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. And when you're ready to level up, you'll find strategies to accelerate your growth in my other videos. Forex trading can change your life, but only if you approach it with discipline and patience. If you found this video helpful, don't stop here. Check out my next video, where we dive into advanced trading strategies that build on everything you've learned today. Click the link on your screen or in the description. And remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with your next step.